How to fix an error occurred while connecting to Epic server in Fortnite. In order to fix this issue, let me move into one of the official article which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. If you scroll down, the very first step is to restart your device. Most of the time, restarting the device has also fixed the issue. The next step you wanna try doing is clear the cache. You need to clear the cache on Nintendo Switch. Go to System Settings, scroll down to Systems, select Formatting option and tap on Reset Cache. Once done, the next thing you want to do is try restarting again after resetting the cache. After that, you have to update your system and Fortnite. If your game or console system is not up to date, you may run into compatibility issues that prevent Fortnite from communicating with the servers properly. So try all of these steps and it might help you out. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.